And he has these qualities of his body, speech, and mind, which equals to 112. And each of those qualities that he has was earned from doing practice. For example, it says, Kalpa Sum Sangye De. What is Kalpa Sum Sangye De? It means it took 3 kalpas for the Buddha to practice, for him to become a fully enlightened Buddha. He became a fully enlightened Buddha. So what is that? That is a kalpa. A kalpa is a short space of time, short. I'll give you an example. This is not an exact example. This is a simple example because everything is in Indian measurements. But this is similar, okay? Let's say you dig a hole in the ground. I always use this example. Let's say you dig a hole in the ground. It is 1 kilometer long, 1 mile long, 1 mile wide, 1 mile deep. 1, 1, 1. You fill that hole with 1 inch of human hair. And it's filled. Every 100 years, come, she's here. Every 100 years, here. Every 100 years, you open the hole and you take the hair out. The time for you to take out all the hair and it's empty, is 1 kalpa.